is evidence gathering against the Duterte administration, which may include yourself, online. What do you make of the ICC's latest move?
Go ahead, make my day. Go
Ganun
ahead,
pa rin, sir.
make my
Ganun pa rin.
day. Yes, go ahead, make my day.
Okay, what has changed? I remember I interviewed you before and you had said you were afraid and now you don't seem afraid anymore.
Afraid lang ako. Sabi ko na nga masyado
Oo.
kanyang kinakapitalize yung sasabi kong afraid. Afraid ako na pag ako'y nakulong, hindi ko na makita yung mga apo ko. Yun lang ang, I am not afraid for myself. I am afraid for my apo na every day, every night, hinahanap ako bago matulog. Paggising sa umaga, pagbangon nila, pupunta kagad sa akin at maghahag sa akin. Yun lang. I am afraid for my apo na mawala sila